Crunchy vegetables, moist, delicious chicken. Can't beat it. Egg fried rice in under 10 minutes or less. Tonight on the menu is some egg fried rice, and we're gonna use a little bit of the chicken we have left over from the days before. A portion of rice, some vegetables, peppers, carrots, zucchini, some onion, some chicken. We got an egg and some soy sauce. It's pretty much all we're gonna need for this dish. And a plate. You mind grabbing me a plate, please? Give it a nice spray. Stir it. Now we'll add our chicken. Alright, now what we want to do, if you want to come closer, is we're going to make a well in the middle. Break our egg inside. And we want like a scrambled egg, so we're going to break it up straight away. Now we just leave it a little bit so it can catch. We want separated pieces of egg and the rest of the ingredients. So we're just going to let it sit for a little bit. Separate from the other ingredients in the middle and it cooks. Once our egg's pretty much done, start adding our vegetables. A little zucchini, some peppers, carrots. Find our egg and break it up a little bit. See, as you can see, we got nice little pieces of egg right there.
Right.
Oh, thank you. Give it a mix. Add a touch of oil so it doesn't get too dry. If you have sesame oil, now would be a good time to add a little bit of sesame oil for the finishing frying, just so it doesn't stick. Plus, it'll give you an amazing flavor. And now some soy sauce. All right, let's plate. Looks good. All right, and that's our chicken stir-fried egg rice, all in under 10 minutes or less. Let's try it out. Crunchy vegetables, moist, delicious chicken. Can't beat it. Egg fried rice in under 10 minutes or less.